Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create SVG files in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got my image here, so to make this into an SVG file, I can go ahead and select it like so. And then you can see I've selected that layer. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click onto File and then click onto Export. And then click onto export again. Then you're going to have an export options box is going to appear like so. Then from here on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Look for the SVG option. Here it is here. And then click onto SVG for export. Then you can see the background has been grayed out here too. So if you've got any white space, that's going to gray out and be transparent. But we can customize this even more here. So to the right, it says area. So you've got whole document or selection area or selection only. So if you go ahead and click on selection only, that's going to remove that white space. Then from here, just go ahead and click onto export. Now export it into your computer, and that's how to create a SVG file. I'm going to have to give this a name, so it's going to call this test. Click save. Now that's how to export or make SVG files in Affinity Designer.